Istiklal Caddesi Independence Avenue is one of the most famous and vibrant streets in Istanbul, located in the heart of the city's Beyoğlu district. It is a long pedestrian boulevard that stretches for about 1.4 kilometers or 9 miles from Taksim Square to the iconic Galata Tower. Istiklal Caddesi is a bustling center of culture, shopping, and nightlife, and is lined with an array of shops, restaurants, cafes, art galleries, cinemas, theaters, and historic buildings. The street is particularly famous for its historic tram that runs the length of the street and offers a unique way to experience the area's atmosphere and architecture. There are several notable landmarks on Istiklal Caddesi, including the St. Anthony of Padua Church, the Pura Museum, the Galatasaray High School, and the İlk Passage Flower Passage, which is a historic covered arcade lined with shops, cafes, and restaurants. Istiklal Caddesi is also home to a vibrant nightlife scene with a variety of bars, clubs, and music venues that offer a range of entertainment options for visitors and locals alike. Overall, Istiklal Caddesi is a must-visit destination for anyone visiting Istanbul, offering a unique blend of history, culture, and modernity in one of the city's most vibrant and dynamic neighborhoods. In our series of the most must-see places in Istanbul: Hagia Sophia, Topkapi Palace, Sultan Ahmet Mosque, Grand Bazaar, Galata Tower, Istanbul Archaeology Museums, Sirigan Palace, Dolmabahce Palace, Beyoğlu Taksim Square, Bosphorus Bridge and Bosphorus Tour, Emirgan Grove, Istiklal Street, Big Island, Rumeli Fortress, Süleymaniye Mosque, City Lines Ferry Tour, Anatolian Fortress, Miniaturk, Pura Museum, Istanbul Museum of Modern Art. You can get detailed information about. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our video so that we can continue our promotional services.